So the second thing I'll be talking about is the clipboard multi-page feature, which you can use on Word as well. So open up Word and open up a blank document again. And now I'll just type it out again. So first of all, I'll just tell you features that some people know, but some people might know. Control A just copy or just selects everything. Control C then copies that, and then Control V means you can paste it underneath. That's just three features I learned. And another feature which is very handy for Word is the use of clipboard. Right, so clear all these. So if you want to type something in like right, so you can then copy this and it just stays there. And then second of all, copy this, stays there. So then if you delete these both, say by accident or something, you can just put two of them in, and then just delete one then, delete two of them, delete all actually. Say if you just wanted one then, so you could do, just saves a bit of time, just feature like that. So that's my screen cast.